me warm up my hands for 1 second. I'm gonna have you put your hand on here. Just fun. So the big things are right now, difficulty with rotation, right? Won't rotate to the side. So that means like feeding, sleeping, everything just won't turn. We're ready to. Right in here. Yeah.
Way back in here.
How old is he now?
Just a little over a week. He was a week on Monday.
A week on
Yeah.
11 days and getting his first adjustment.
Yeah.
We're gonna definitely have some squirming.
Yeah.
That's great. So, like the amount of pressure we use is like the same amount of pressure that you use pressed on your eyeball. Like super gentle. It's just, I know. Yeah, it's like all of a sudden it's like, I love it. That's the good stuff right there. Look at that cute face.
Good job, buddy.
You did great.
You did awesome.
First adjustment, you did awesome.
Now back to sleep.
Now to sleep. Just like that.
Right? He's like, okay, feel better.